the first thing you want to do when setting the toilet flange is make sure that the bolts that connect to the toilet will be exactly 12 inches from the finished wall. Once the flange is set, make sure to mark out all the bolt holes that you will be drilling. For the purposes of this video, we will only be drilling for 2 bolt holes. A good way to set the depth for the anchor is to put the bolt and washer a flange distance down to make sure you have just enough. Instead of brushing the dust away, you should always use a vacuum to clean up any dust. Next, hammer in the anchor to the distance that you previously set. Once you have finished tightening the bolts, make sure that flange does not move at all. When placing the bolts that connect to the toilet, make sure that they're in line with your 12-inch mark. When taking the toilet bowl out of the box, make sure to grab the inner lip of the toilet bowl and the hole at the end of the toilet. Also, be sure that you place it on the cardboard that has been placed in the box. When taking out the tank, make sure you use the cardboard to protect it. Inside, you will find the parts to connect it to the bowl. Keep in mind that you may need an extra tank to bowl kit, as the ones that are given typically do not have enough parts. When placing the bolts that will connect to the toilet, make sure there are rubber washers on both sides, otherwise there will be a leak. Instead of your typical wax rings, we like to use these foam ones. As you can see, I flipped the lip back up. Rather than doing that, you should always cut it off, otherwise, waste may get trapped in there. The trick I use here with the channel locks keeps the threads in line. However, it will not work if the bolts are not completely secure. As you can see here, the caulking left a bit of a mess. However, you can use a sponge and some water to clean any excess or any streaks that may have been left. It will also leave a nice clean bead around the edge of the toilet.